think he provides value at the end of the day. That's what it's about. If you don't make money, it doesn't really make sense. So, I see people succeeding, and that's a win.
But the only thing that's going to stop you from not succeeding by following John's rules is you. You're the only person that keeps you from success, because John's going to show you the way to go.
Everything changed once I started to control my own doubts and fears of judgments from others in creating my internet business. Now, once I learned to control those doubts, once I learned to control those fears of judgments from others, I was able to live a life that I truly enjoy. And being able to control your fears and your doubts of judgments of others and society will set you free. I hope my story can show you how you can too create a life for yourself of anything you desire. But it starts with not accepting society's judgments and the ideas that society makes you believe that you need to do.